सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार, स्वागतम्। गतदिने गतकक्षायां चतुर्त्रिंशः श्लोकः पठितः अस्माभिः। व्याकरणांशाः द्रष्टव्याः, एवमेव पदार्थः अन्वयार्थः अपि समाप्तः। अन्वयार्थः पदार्थः आकांक्षा एते त्रयोपि अंशाः समाप्ताः आसन्, परन्तु भावार्थः पठनीयः शेषः वर्तते। श्रीनिवास, अद्य भावार्थं पठित्वा अग्रे सरामः। विल् मूव् अहेड्। वी आर् रीडिंग 34th poem on page 242. Last class we have done 3 aspects of this poem, and over to Bhavartha. Srinivas, you can read now.
बृहस्पति आदयः अन्येपि पंचवा षड्वा प्रसिद्ध ग्रहाः यद्यपि विद्यन्ते तथापि विशेष पराक्रमशीलेषु पराक्रम प्रदर्शनाभिलाषी शीर्षावशिष्टः एषः।
बृहत् वाक्यमस्ति, तत्र स्थापयतु। बृहस्पति आदयः, we have already demonstrated, I mean told बृहस्पति, then आदयः referring to बुध शुक्र आदि ग्रहाः, अन्येपि पंचवा षड्वा 5 or 6 प्रसिद्ध ग्रहाः, famous planets, यद्यपि विद्यन्ते, even though they are there existing, तथापि still विशेष पराक्रम शीलेषु, especially highly valorous, among the highly valorous, parakrama pradarshana-bhilashi, and also who is ever wanting to exhibit his power. This particular graha Rahu, that Rahu, Shirshavasisthaha, and this Rahu who is left with only Sirsha, left with the head, as we referred to the story yesterday, was cut into 2 pieces by Vishnu. So the head became Rahu and the body became the Ketu. So Sirshavasishtaha, Sirshena avasishtaha, Eshaha ayam Asura Prabhu, he is considered as the lord of the Asuras. Rahu tan prati vairam na karoti, he does not show any enmity towards those famous known grahas, namely Brihaspati and Buddha, Shukradi, etc. But you can read. But
Ati Tejasvinau Surya
Chandramasa
Amayam Purnamayascha
Grasate.
Yeah, Purnamayancha Grasate.
Apitu, but Ati Tejasvinau Surya Chandramasau Chandraarkau Chandra Arkaha Chandrascha Arkasya Chandraarkau, very luminous sun and the moon, Amayam Amavasyayam Purnimayam cha Grasate. He takes revenge on these 2 celestial bodies, the sun and the moon, on the Amavasya day, on new moon, on one, and the Purnima on the other. So he takes on new moon Surya and Chandrama on the Purnima. So Amavasya and Purnima, that is what Grasate, he takes hold, literally he eclipses, as we say. Yeah. Ittam Angavikalapi
Tejasvino Mahat Karyam Sadhayantyeva.
Ittam evam prakarena Angavikalaha visarga lopa tatra Angena Angaihi Vikalaha Janaha evam api Tejasvinaha, parantu Angavikalaha api Tejasvinaha. Yesham Tejaha vartate, Yeshu Tejaha vartate. Mahat Karyam Sadhayanti, they achieve great task. Oh brother, look, this is what is Anga Vaikalya Yuktopi means to say that Mahan Mahat Karyam Kartumeva Ichchati iti artha. Mahan Purushaha Anga Vaikalya Yuktaha api. Anga Vaikalya Yuktaha api Mahan Purushaha Mahat Karyam Kartumeva Ichchati natu Nicha Karyam Kartum Ichchati iti tatra sarah. So English okay, Srinivas, then Nidarsanam will go. Sandhi, Sandhayah Bhavaha Santi, Santyanye,
Santi plus Santi,
Anyepi,
Anye plus
Purvarupa, Panchashastan,
Panchashaha Tan,
Visarga, Pratyeshaha,
Prati plus Yeshaha,
Ganadesha, Rahurna,
Rahu plus Na, Visarga,
Dvaveva,
Dvau plus Yeva,
Ayavaya, this is Ayavaya Sandhi. Yesterday I told you, na, where the Yakara Lopa will comes. Sirsha Krutihi, Sirsha Vasesha plus A. Everywhere Savanadri sense. Sirsha plus A, Sirsha, Avasesha plus A, Avasesha Krutihi. Samasani, I'm sorry, Kshamitam, Samasaha, Chatvaraha, Samasa Padani. Vishesha Vikrama Ruchihi.
Vishesha Vikrame Ruchihi Yasya Saha.
So one who has interest, Ruchihi, Shraddha, Ruchihi, Kasmin Visheshe Vikrame Tatra Shaktau. Vishesha Shaktyau. Vishesha Bale. Vikrame Nama Bale. Visheshe Bale. Ruchihi. One who is, this is interpreted in one who is interested, one who takes interest or delight in showing special power. My power is this, even though I am Angavikala, I can harass this Surya, Tejasvi, and also Chandra. So that is Sirsha Vasesha Krutihi, Sirsham.
Sirsham eva avasheshaha yasyaha tadrushi akrutihi yasya aso bahubrihi samas.
Sirsham eva avasesham, it should be, not avasesha. Sirsha Shabda is Napunsaka. Sirsham eva avasesham yasyaha tadrushi akrutihi. Here Akruti is Strilinga Shabda, therefore Tadrushi Akruti is coming. Yasyaha Tadrushi Akruti. Yasyaha Akrutehe Akrutyaha Sirsham-eva avasesham asti. Yasyaha Akrutyaha Sirsham Mastakam eva avasesham asti. Tadrushyaha iti. Tadrushi Akruti, then Yasya Asau Akrutihi Saha Sirshava Seshakrutihi. That is Bahuvri Samasa. Danavapati, this is simple. Danavapati. Divakara Nisha Praneshwaru.
Divakarahacha Nisha
Praneshwara. Dvandva Sama. Sambhavita. Krudantaha Trini Padani. Sambhavita.
Samiti upasarga bhavi iti dhatu tam.
So Sambhava. No, Sammanitaha. Well honored. Patihi.
Pa iti dhatu sir.
Yeah, pa iti dhatu. Pa Rakshani.
Tin.
But thin is not that correct here. It should be, there is, I have looked into this, pa, there is one more dhatu Srinivas for this. Pa is there, pata is dhatu is there, pata, Aishwarye. Pata plus iti. There is one unadi sutra is there, iti. So pa plus iti you take, or another way of deriving it, pata plus iti, pata Aishwarye. Patinama Prabhu, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is interpreted Pati iti patihi, that is derivative meaning here, Vitpatti. One who protects or guards is a husband. Like I have told you, Pitru Shabda also. Pati iti pita. Mati iti mata. Same pa rakshanarthe. One who protects is a father. Mother is mati iti ma. Mane. That means one who measures, control, checks the behavior of the children is mother. Mati. So this pati shabda, pa, unadi, iti, then you get pati by some other deletions and omissions. But pata dhatu is there, pata aishwarye, which is divadigana, fourth, patyati, atmanipda, patyati, patyati, patyanti. If you take pata aishwaryartha, also means that husband is the lord of the house. He is the lord of the house. In that sense it is taken. But tin is not. Pati is not a Strilinga Shabda. Tin is used for Strilinga only. Like the next one, by printing mistake. Akruti, you can see this. Ang is the Upasarga. Kruiti Dhatuk, tin. This is okay. Akruti Shabda is Strilinga Shabda. Tin. This is fine. Then only 3 are over. Chandaha. Read. That is known to us. Lakshanam already. Now Kosha is coming. This Kosha I could not supply because of that. I will write out. Small, and very few are there. 3 only are there. Then we proceed. Black pen is not there, Srinivas. पृष्ठ संख्या अस्ति 243 कोशः बहु कालानन्तरं लिखामि विक्रमः इति प्रथमशब्दः विक्रमस्तु पुमान् क्रांतिमात्रे स्यात् शक्ति संपदि मेदिनी कोश. Then it is further explained that ati vikramastu man kranti matre atishayita शक्तिर्यस्य तस्य भावः भावार्थे तल प्रत्यय is there. So these two words are used in the sense of ati parakrama, Srinivas. Ati dve pade ati parakramasya. What are that? Vikrama and atishaktita. In the book it is given. Vikramastu atishaktita. Vikrama is nothing but atishaktita. Ati parakramasya. So ati parakrama means extraordinary power. For showing extra power, extraordinary power, these two words are used. Vikrama and ati shaktita. So the derivation is like Vikramastu Puman Kranti Matre. Vikrama is a pullinga. Kranti Matre used in the sense of Kranti, overcoming, surpassing others. Understand, Srinivas? In overcoming and surpassing others, we use Vikrama, which is a pullinga shabda. Syat Shakti Sampadi. Syat Shakti Sampadi. It is used in the sense of Shakti Sampada, lot of power. Ati Parakrama. Ayam Shabda, Shabdasya Prayogaha Syat. Kasmin Arte Shakti Sampadi. Shaktyaha Sampadi. Shakti Sampadi. In the richness of power. It is used in this sense, in the richness of power, in the excess of power. Ati Parakrama. To indicate, Suchaitum. Ati Parakramam Suchayitum Ayam Shabdaha Vikrama Shabdasya Prayogaha Bhavati. Prayujyati. That is one. Then Atishayita exceeding. Atishayita exceeding, overcoming Shaktihi. Power Yasya. One who has got this exceeding, overpowering capability. Tasya Bhavaha. Its Bhava means, Bhavartha means abstractness. Therefore it is called Atishaktita. Tal, Tal whenever comes, that Ta comes there. We have come across Tal Pratyaya many times. So, Tasya Bhavaha Tal, in that Atishaktita. So, Dve Pade, Ete Dve Pade Api Ati Parakramasya Arte Prayujyate. Prayukte Bhavati. Bhavataha. Then we move on to Rahu Srinivas. Vikrama. Our Rahu is the hero of the sloka now. Rahu. This is Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda. You can see that easily. Rahati Bhuktva Tyajati. Chandrarkau. Now look at this. Rahati. Raha tyage, tyajati. Raha tyage, to leave. Rahati bhuktva tyajati chandrarkau. He harasses and then leaves Chandra and Arka, now Surya. Surya Chandramasau. Tatra. What does he do? He eclipses. Bhuktva means here he harasses them, enjoys them, literally means, but here Rahati Tyajati Bhuktva Tyajati. Bhoganantaram Tyajati Tatra. Pidanantaram Tatra Tyajati iti. Kam Tyajati Kau Tyajati. Kam Rahati Chandra Arkau. Chandra Arkau. So that is how he is called Rahu. Raha is the dhatu. Tyage iti artaha. Raha Tyage, to desert, to quit. Raha Tyage. This is Prathama Gana. We will write that also. This is first Bhuvadi Gana. Bhuvadi. Raha Tyage. In Latlakara, Rahati. This is Latlakara. What is given is Latlakara. Then that is over. Then one more word is there, na? Tamaha. Now, Tamaha, when you take Sakaranta, Tamas, Napumsakalinga. First, that is explained here. Tamyati. Tamyati. The dhatu for this is Tamu. Tamuk Glano. This is the dhatu, and this is coming from Divadigana, 4th class, Parasmay Pada. Tamyati is the Latlakara. That Tamuk Glano means to one who darkens, the one who makes darkness. Tamas, is that one? Tamas?
Yeah.
Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. So Tamyati Tamuglano.
Envelopes.
Yeah, one who, the night maker. Tamaha is, yeah, one who makes the night, something like Nishakaraha, Rajanikaraha, Rajanim karoti iti, Nisham karoti iti, Chandraha. So Tamaha is also used in that sense, Tamaha. One, but in Pullinga it is also there. Tamaha akrutihi asya tamaha. The one who has darkness as his form. In Pullinga this has to be understood. Now next interpretation for this is like this, Srinivas. Tamaha akrutihi. Akrutihi asya. Therefore it is called Tamaha. Now how do you understand this? Tamaha eva akrutihi yasya saha purushaha tamaha iti uchyate. The one whose form is itself darkness. That is Ratri. That is one interpretation given in the Kosha. Okay? Then we move to Svarbhanu. What is next?
Yeah, Svarbhanu.
You can wipe out the upper portion. Oh, this is becoming sticky immediately. Just immediately. Why this is so, Srinivas? So becoming very hard to rub out. New because of very new that is. Yeah, next word.
Svarbhanu.
Svarbhanu. Now this word Swaha nama Swarge. Swaha Swarge Bhati Iti. You know the word dhatu bha iti dhatoh deepti artha. Deeptau. This is Adadigana, second class Parasmai Pada. Bhati bhataha bhanti. Yati yataha yanti like. So, one who shines in the heaven, in the sky. Heaven is sky. So, Svarbhanuhu, Bhadiptau. Then another name coming up there. What is that? Svarbhanur Saimhikeyaha. Saimhikeyaha. Oh my God. Fully sticky.
Use old marker.
Hmm?
Old marker.
There is no black old marker. Only blue are there. Okay, some blue I will use. No black on it. Now look at this word. This is okay, visible?
Yeah.
It's going very well. Saimhike yaha. This is Akaranta Pullinga, you know that. Simhika, this is explained as Simhikayaha. Simhikaya apatyam puman iti. Simhikaya apatyam. Simhika is here referred to as the sister, younger sister of Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu's younger sister is called Simhika. Her son is Saimhikeya. That is reference Srinivas here. So this fellow Rahu happens to be in another story, the son of Simika. Who is Simika? Hiranyakashipoho Anuja. Tasyaha putraha ayam iti Saimhikeyaha iti uchyate. He has got that title, Saimhikeya. Then we move to one more word. Yes. Viduntudaha. Next word is Viduntudaha.
Hiranyakashipo Anuja.
Younger sister. Viduntudaha. This is also Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. You can see that. Vidhum. Vidhum Nama Chandram. Brackets shall write. Chandram Tudati iti. Tudati iti. Tuda iti dhatuhu. Tuda vyathane, to harass, to trouble. Oh, this is very sticky. Tuda is the dhatu here. Vyathane. To trouble, to harass Srinivas. This is the 6th class and Ubhaya Pada. To wound, to trouble also. Okay. So how do you understand this, Srinivas? Vidhum Chandram Vyatate Tudati iti. There is one more interpretation. Vidhum Chandram Vyatate. Tuda is Vyatane. One who troubles the Chandra. That means moon trouble. No, I'm just trying to literally. Vidhun Tudaha, meaning the teaser of moon. Moon teaser. It should be called literally moon teaser. Vidhum Chandram Tudati Vyatate. Vyatate Shabda is also there. Dhatu Kriyapada Vyatate. Troubles the moon. Therefore is called Vidhun Tudaha. And then the last word, I think, Parva Shabda is given. That is different from this. Titi Bede Kshane Parva. Now when there is a change in the Titi, you celebrate like Parva, any Parva occasion. Titi Bede Kshane Parva. That is not much there. It is also explained, Parvati Parvyate va Parva Purani. It fills in the gap. Parva Syad Utsave Grantau Prastave Vishuvadishu. Parva is used in Utsava. You know Utsavarte? Grantau, Adi Parva, Sabha Parva, Udyoga Parva. In Mahabharata, Parva means section. So Parva Syad Utsave Grantau Prastave in referring to, and Vishuvadishu in the equinox, like Surya Samkarmana time, that whenever the sun travels from Uttarayana to Dakshinayana, etc. So equinox, in that time also Parvan, that sun, that gap filling, etc. So Parva is understood that way, Srinivas. So I am not writing this one. Parva Syad Utsave Grantau Prastave Vishuvadishu. When we get the note printed, we will incorporate this. We will move with the abhyasas. Atmani pada dhatu. Lat vartamana kala means lavate, lavete, lavante, etc. Okay, padachedam karut.
सन्ति अन्ये अपि बृहस्पति प्रभृतयः संभाविताः पंचशाः तान् प्रति एषः विशेषविक्रमरुचिः राहुः न वैरायते द्वौ एव ग्रसते दिनेश्वर निशा प्राणेश्वरौ भासुरौ भ्रातः पर्वणि पश्य दानवपतिः शीर्षावशेषाकृतिः.
ओके, यथा निर्दिष्टं श्लोकपदानि संकलनं. पुंलिंग प्रथमा बहुवचन पदानि. पुंलिंग प्रथमा अन्ये या अन्यः अन्यौ अन्ये इति एकं. द्वितीयं पंचशाः. If you take as yes. Next. He is asking what Pulinga? Bahuvachana. Next coming is Ekavachana. Not many, na? Only Anye Bruhaspati Prabhrutayaha. Prabhrutayaha is Pulinga, Prathama. That you have not come. Bruhaspati Prabhrutayaha 2, Sambhavitaha 3, Panchashaha 4 over. Then Ekavachana. Prathama Ekavachana. Danavapatihi iti. Or you can take why only one or two? Yeah, many can be there. Yeah, okay, will come from top. Bruhaspatihi. No, that is not samasta. That is samasta padam. Yeah, starting with Rahuhu. Prathama Ekavachana. Dineshwara is in samasa. Rahuhu. Danavapatihi. Next. Danavapatihi. Then the last one. Sirshava Seshakrutihi. Because linga is not specified, that you can take also. Sirshava Seshakrutihi can also be taken. Danavapatihi and this. Both are ikarantas. So, evam kati santi tatra ikaranta prathamayam trini. Rahu iti ekam, Danavapati iti dvitiyam, Sirshavasesakriti trutiyam. Trini padani eva. Anantaram. Oh, dvitiya dvivachanam he wants. Dvitiya dvivachanam. Pashyatu.
Dineshwara Nisha Praneshwaro
iti ekam. Anyat Bhasurau Dvitiyam. That's it. Tavatayava. Na santi. So ekam padamasti Dineshwara Nisha Praneshwaro iti ekam dvitiya ekavachane. Ekavachana? Dvivachana, sorry. Dvitiya dvivachane. Anyat padamasti Bhasurau iti. Dvau. Oh yeah, you can take that numerical number also. Dvaveva, dvau, yes. Trini. Dvau, prathamam. Then Dineshwara, Nisha, Praneshwarau, iti dvitiyam, Bhasurau, trutiyam. Then trutiyamsha. Prathama ekavachana. 5 is giving, but are there? Esha, that we have missed. Esha.
And Vishesha Vikrama Ruchihi.
That is Ruchihi. Oh, this we have not explained, this Sandhi. Achha, when we come to Sandhi, we'll see. This Ruchi is there, na Srinivas? Ruchihi followed by Ra, it becomes Dirgha. Rori dralope purvasya dirgo anaha. Some sutra is there in Panini Vyakarana. Rori rakarasya rakara. When Ra is followed by Ra, like Ruchihi, Ruchir Shabda. Ruchir Rahuhu. Ruchi it becomes. Like I will give another example. Punar Ramate. this refa will be going and this nakara becomes long. Punaramati. That is dralope purvasya dirgo anaha. The sutra there. Dra lope. Rakarasya lopa bhavati. Purvasya dirgam agacchati. So puna becomes puna. Punaramati. So similarly here, Visesha Vikrama Ruchihi, that is Shabda. Ruchihi iti, but Sandhau Ruchi iti Dirgam Tatra. So you can see in Padaparichay also, somehow I missed it, Visesha Vikrama Ruchihi on page 239. You can see that when it is given as a separate word, Vestapada, you can see the Visesha Vikrama Ruchihi, it is given. Ikara Anta Strilinga. But in the text, what do you find?
Ruchi.
Ruchi. So that is the Sandhi, which is I think not covered here in this book. Anyway, okay. You got now?
Yeah, Prathama Ekvachana, total 5 are there. Yeshaha, Vishesha Vikrama Ruchihi, Rahuhu, then Bhrataha.
No. Bhrataha is not Prathama. It is Sambodhana. Sambodhana Prathama, that is. Patihi, Sirshavaseshakruti. Okay, done. Chaturthamshaha, Koshtakastebhyaha Padebhyaha, that you can do. Sirshavaseshakrutihi, Rahu. Oh, Riktasthanani Purnamasti. Bruhaspati Prabhutayaha, dash Santi. Sambhavitaha Santi. Bruhaspati Prabhutayah Sambhavitaha Santi. Tan Prati Eshaha Prati Esha. Yes, Eshaha na vairayati. Tan Prati Eshaha na vairayati. Dvau grasati. Dvau kau grasati. Dvau eva grasati. Or you can take Dvau Dineshwara Nisha Praneshwarau Srinivas. That also you have to take to make it meaningful. Dineshwara Nisha Praneshwarau Dvau. Not Eva. Dvau is adjective to Dineshwara Praneshwarau Grasati. Chaturtham. Sirshavaseshakrutihi Rahu. Very simple. Dvau Eva Bhasurau. Or you have to fill up there above Bhasurau also, whatever, whichever is. Then Visesha Vikrama Ruchihi. Rahu, not Bruhaspati. Rahu, not Visesha Vikrama Ruchi is adjective for Rahu only. Samichinam. Panchashaha Grahaha Bhasuraha Santi. Samichinam. Panchashaha Grahaha Bhasuraha Santi. No? Bhasura, acha. Sambhavitaha Santi. I have mistake. Yeah. Samichinam. Danavapatihi Rahu Suryam Grasati. Samichinam. Bruhaspati Prabhutin Sambhavitan Prati Rahu Vairayate. Asamichinam. Bruhaspati Prabhutin Sambhavitan Prati Rahu na Vairayate. Visheshanani likata. Bruhaspati Prabhutayaha. One. Bruhaspati Prabhutayaha Sambhavitaha Panchashaha. Rahu iti Visheshyasya kati Visheshanani. Kati padani Visheshanani santi. विशेष विक्रम रुचि इति एकः एषः इति अन्यः दानवपतिः इति अन्यः शीर्षावशेषाकृतिः इति अपरः शब्दः. So तत्र आहत्य in total how many adjectives? चत्वारि विशेषण पदानि सन्ति. राहुः इति विशेष्य पदस्य. इदानीं सप्तमांशः विग्रहवाक्य. विशेष विक्रम रुचिः. गत पृष्ठे दत्तं तत् विशेषे विक्रमे रुचिः यस्य सः. विशेषे विक्रमे रुचिः यस्य सः विशेष विक्रम रुचिः. शीर्षावशेषाकृतिः शीर्षम् एव अवशेषम्
यस्याः
तादृशी आकृतिः यस्य असौ शीर्षावशेषाकृतिः दानवपतिः सिंपल दानवानां पतिः दानवेषु पतिः दिवाकर निशा प्राणेश्वरौ दिवाकरः च
निशा प्राणेश्वरश्च
असौ निशा प्राणेश्वरश्च इति अन्यः अष्टमः सन्धिं कृत्वा नामलेखनं सन्ति अन्ये को वा सन्धि यण् सन्धि अन्ये अपि अन्ये पूर्वरूपसन्धि प्रति एष प्रत्येषः राहुः यणादिश राहुः न राहुर्न द्वौ एव अयादि अयवायाव सन्धि simply we also call ayadi sandhi avashesha akrutihi savarnadira sandhi shirsha avasheshah shirsha savarnadira sandhi शार्दूल विक्रीडिते वृत्ते एकं ज्ञातपूर्वं बहूनि तत्र पद्यानि श्लोकाः बहवः सन्ति एकं स्मरन्तु लिखन्तु च स्वयमेव नाहं लिखामि शुभं भूयात्।